Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A beautiful morning today. It's Sunday. I would like just to share this beautiful video here of an Australia or Pound Australia. Pound Australia. I'm just gonna quickly go to daily and see what you're expecting from Pound Australia. Apparently, what I'm looking at here, I'm looking at this 11 swing structure that is happening right here. We had this move to the upside, and then I'm gonna just quickly use a different color to present what I'm looking at here. Then we have this corrective structure which gave us an X. We have this another 1, 2, 3 move to the upside, 1, 2, 3 move to the upside, and then we have another corrective structure where which has followed this one here. So what I'm looking at now, I'm looking at the whole of this thing to give us a WX, YXZ. Apparently what we are busy now with, we are busy with this leg in yellow. We are busy with this leg in yellow that will give us a Z before we see a drop on Australia, pound Australia. So what we are just quickly going to look at this, what is happening here. That's where our trades are. That's where our trades are sitting at. So on the bigger picture, we are looking to see a WXYXZ building in this area. So apparently this is a whole corrective structure we've been doing ever since 2016 until today. So now we are busy with the last leg of corrective structure of this corrective structure before we can even see a big drop of more than 3,000 pips. So let's go and check on what is happening for our. As I was saying, we are busy doing a last leg of this corrective structure at WXYXZ. So this whole leg that we are building here, it's as for the Z that we are currently building. So what I'm looking at here, I'm looking at this move, this 1, 2, 3 move, which ends with a diagonal here. Therefore, I'm looking at 1, 2, 3 move, which will give us a W over here. Therefore, what I'm looking at now, I'm looking at the building of this whole thing. It's a corrective structure that is building here. Then after this corrective structure that is building here, we are more likely to get this move 1, 2, 3 to the upside that will complete our Z over here. So apparently at this smallest time frame, what I'm looking at this move here. I'm looking at the last leg of the corrective structure, last leg of the corrective structure that is building here. I said this is a 1, 2, 3 to the upside, corrective structure in the middle, then 1, 2, 3 to the upside that will give us a Z. So this is what I'm looking at currently. So for a nice trading opportunity over here, so I'm looking at this thing to, as you can look at it, it gave us a nice diagonal here. It's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 diagonal that is happening here. So I'm looking for this to start correcting this diagonal in 1, 2, 3, and maybe give us another move to the downside. That will give us a 1, 2, 3, an ABC to the downside, then to the upside. So what you can look at right now, you can look to buy this at the breakout. Let me just go to 1 hour. What you can look at now, you can look to buy this thing at the breakout. It's a short-term buy before we can see a drop. So we can look to take a buy. I said this is a 1, 2, 3, a 4, and a 5 that ends with a diagonal here. So once we have this breakout to the upside, then you start buy. You can start buy this at a breakout. If you miss this breakout when it happens, so you're gonna wait for a corrective structure, then take us to 50 to 618% before you can even see a drop. Equal leg that will happen, a drop to the downside. Just I hope this information will be very useful. After this drop, we then go for the Z to the upside. I hope this information is going to be useful for the next coming trading days. Just bye.